Good day, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 6.1. 12,000 was invested in a fund that paid M% per annum, compounded quarterly. After 24 months, the value of the investment was 13,459. Determine the value of M. So we want to find the value of M. So this is compound interest. So it means we're going to use the formula A is equal to P, then 1 plus I to the power N. What is our A? A is the 13,459. A is 13,459. At P, that's the money invested, or the principal amount, that is 12,000. 24 months. So yes, compounded quarterly. So how many quarters are there in 24 months? We should have 8. So N should be equal to 8. Or if you want, you can convert these to years. 24 months is 2 years. And then 2 times 4. 2 times 4 should be 8. Or you can say how many quarters are there in 24 months? You say 24 divided by 3. You will get 8. Still get 8. So N is equal to 8. We are looking for M. We're looking for M. Let's substitute into the formula. 13,459 is equal to 12,000, then 1 plus M over 4, and then 8. We divide both sides by 12,000. 13,459 over 12,000 is equal to 1 plus M over 4 to the power 8. And then we eighth root both sides. So the eighth root of 13,459 over 12,000 is equal to 1 plus M over 4. And then we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. So it's eighth root of 13,459 divided by 12,000 minus 1 is equal to M over 4. If you put this in the calculator, this will give you 0.01444602178 is equal to M over 4. Right, and then you can multiply both sides by 4. This will give you 0.05778408712 is equal to M. We want to convert this to a percentage, so we multiply by 100. So it becomes 5,77,8408712 percent is equal to M. Right, so it means 5,78% is equal to M.